Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to show a quick run through the steps on how to use Azure to configure a cloud-based machine learning production model, deploy it and then consume it. I'll also show how to create, publish and consume a pipeline. So let's get started. Now we have already created an automated ML run. We'll click on automated ML and you can see that we have an existing ML run here. We'll click on this. Status is completed. This voting ensemble algorithm is our best model. We can see that the model has already been deployed. The deployment name is bank model deploy and the status is succeeded. In Azure ML Studio, we'll head to endpoints section. And you can see that bank model deploy is the name of our deployed model. You click on that. The deployment state is healthy. We can see the Swagger URI. Application Insights is enabled. Now let us move to the Consume tab. In the Consume tab of the endpoint, we can see that the endpoint URI and the authentication types, and we'll note that the URI, the REST endpoint URI and the primary key. Now in the endpoint.py file, we'll replace the scoring URI and key to match the REST endpoint and the primary key respectively. You can see that we have made the changes here. The script issues a post request to the deployed model and gets a JSON response that will then get printed on the terminal, as we can see here. Once we run endpoint.py, this is the result that we get. And when we run benchmark.sh, this is the log that we get. Now, once we download the swagger.json file, which is available here, we can use this URI for that purpose. We will run the swagger.sh and serve.py files, and this will download the data Swagger container, which we'll run on port 9000. And after running serve.py, we'll type http localhost 8000 swagger.json on the top bar of the Swagger container, and it will display the contents of the API for the model. We can see the different types of HTTP requests that are supported in our model. Now let us move to our pipelines. We will be running a notebook and Python SDK. We'll be using Python SDK to create, publish, and then consume our pipeline. So this is the code that we will run. We already have a pre-existing AutoML model that we will be using and a pre-existing compute that we will be using. So now we have already created our pipeline. Let's move to the pipeline section. This is the pipeline that we have created. Now this is our published pipeline. We can see that the status is active and this is the REST endpoint. This is our AutoML module. Now once you've created a pipeline, and published it, then we have consumed it.